Hi, I'm Max Dilendorf, a crypto attorney based in New York, and welcome to episode 2 of my series for victims of cryptocurrency theft. Today we'll be talking about filing an IC3 report with the FBI, why it matters, how to do it properly. But first, some context. According to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, or IC3, cryptocurrency fraud is exploding in the US. In its 2023 crypto fraud report released last year, the FBI reported over $5.6 billion in losses tied to crypto-related scams. That's a 45% increase from the year before. And the number of complaints keeps growing. Almost 69,000 reports were filed with IC3 in 2023 alone. So what's driving these losses? The most common schemes are all too familiar. Phishing attacks that trick users into revealing login credentials, fake customer support reps impersonating major exchanges, SIM swap attacks where a hacker hijacks your phone number to access your accounts, and social engineering scams that convince victims to hand over sensitive information. These attacks are highly organized and increasingly sophisticated. If you have been targeted, you're not alone. And reporting your case to IC3 is one of the first official steps that you should take. Filing an IC3 report serves several critical purposes. First, it creates an official record of the theft with the federal law enforcement agency, something that may be required later for legal action or asset recovery. Second, your report helps the FBI track cybercrime trends, uncover repeat offenders, and identify broader patterns across exchanges and platforms. And third, it demonstrates to any future arbitrator, exchange, or court that you acted quickly and followed the proper protocols. To file a report, go to ic3.gov and click File a Complaint. You will need to review and accept the terms and conditions before proceeding. The process could take about 10 to 15 minutes and consists of 7 steps, which you will see on your screen as you go. Be sure to read each section carefully, be as specific and detailed as possible. Information that you have to include is your contact details, the name of the exchange involved, the type of cryptocurrency stolen, transaction ID or hash, and any other technical details or supporting evidence. If you are already working with a forensic team that investigated the theft, completing the report will be faster and more accurate, since much of this information will be already documented. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation number. Save that number and add it to your case file. It may be needed if you work with law enforcement, a forensic firm, or decide to pursue an arbitration. If your crypto has been stolen, filing an IC3 report is not optional. I would say it's an essential first step. It won't recover your funds immediately, but it lays the groundwork for your recovery strategy. Also, it won't automatically get your funds back, but it creates a legal and forensic record that can be used in arbitration or recovery actions. In the next episode, we'll talk about hiring a blockchain forensic firm to trace stolen crypto. It's a complex process. Recovery odds are often slim, and many firms charge significant upfront fees. Still, in some cases, tracing the flow of funds as they pass through mixers or offshore platforms can be critical. At the same time, once crypto is stolen, it disappears from mixers into offshore dark web in seconds. So tracing is important. If you need assistance with your case, please feel free to reach out to my firm for guidance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in episode 3.